In Finland, the landscape of sustainable urban mobility is being transformed by electrified rail networks that harness the power of wind and solar energy, showcasing a commitment to reducing carbon emissions. Helsinki, a vibrant hub of eco-friendly development, integrates these renewable energies into its train systems, allowing for a greener, more efficient transit option. The use of advanced battery technologies ensures that transportation remains seamless and reliable, even during energy fluctuations. Further embracing this shift, Finland incorporates electric vehicles and e-bikes into urban transport, promoting last-mile connectivity and a significant reduction in pollution. This pioneering model not only supports Finland's sustainable urban planning, but sets a global standard for marrying technological innovation with environmental responsibility.